உலகம் முழுவதும் நடைபெறும் நிகழ்வுகளை உங்களிடம் கொண்டு வந்து சேர்க்கிறோம். எங்க சேனலை மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.
हमारा बचाव कर सकता है बिकॉज एक बार वंस यू गेट कोरोना इट्स मच मोर डिफिकल्ट. तो उससे प्रिवेंट करने के लिए वैक्सीन हम सबको लेना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. एंड आई होप कि जब आपका वक्त है और आप जब वैक्सीन ले सकें आप उसे लें और डरें नहीं. बिकॉज बाहर बहुत सी अफवाहें हैं जो लोग फैलाते हैं. बट हम इतने ही यूनिक एक सिचुएशन में हैं कि हमारे लिए फ़िलहाल वैक्सीन इज़ द ओनली वे टू गो. तो उसे लीजिए, डरिए मत और गो फॉर द वैक्सीन. टेक इट. दैट्स द ओनली वे टू एंश्योर दैट आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच सकें. मनोज, हाय मनोज 54847775. मनोज, गुरतंदा सीता कालम की शूटिंग चल रही थी लॉकडाउन के पहले, पर हम शूटिंग के बीच में हैं. ఇంకా ఆ షూటింగ్ అవ్వలేదు. సో ఆ షూటింగ్ గుర్తున్న శీతాకాలం రెడీ అయిన వెంటనే కరెక్ట్ టైంకి వాళ్ళు రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తారు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు అందరూ అంతా ఆపేశారు. సో బయట అంతా నార్మల్ అయ్యాక మేము మళ్ళీ సెట్కి వెళ్తాం. సెట్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత షూట్ ఫినిష్ అయ్యేప్పుడే మేము రిలీజ్ చేస్తాం. Vishwa G304 November Story, excellent sister. Thank you so much, Vishwa. I am glad you liked November Story. These responses are the thing that really makes me want to do better work for you guys. So Arvind Teja, any upcoming web series? Yes, I have some very exciting announcement, hopefully which I can make soon. Can't talk about it right now, but whenever the time is right, I will speak about it. Dhruvesh Singh, hello, please shout out my name, please. Dhruvesh, very big hello. Hope you're doing well. Cesar Fernandez from London, hello, hi, hope everything is well in London, hope you guys are safe. Gopi 1016, I love you. DJ Surya 27, hi ma'am, eppadi irkeenga? நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன், வீட்டில் இருக்கேன். Taking some time out, being with myself, being with my family. I just want all you guys to know that now that I've done this one live, I think I need to make this promise to you so that I actually come back and be more active on Insta and keep you guys updated about what's happening. I really wasn't able to do it because of the kind of situation that is there outside. I just didn't have the heart to do it. But today I feel like it's time I come back and do some posts which you guys like, which something that you will enjoy, some interaction where I get to talk to you guys, know what you guys are doing, and keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with me and my life. Thank you all for logging in today and being a part of this live. I will be signing out right now, but I promise to do this more often. Lots of love to all of you. Thank you all.
வரலாறு, நடப்புகள், கிரைம், அரசியல், சினிமா அத்தனையும் அறிந்து கொள்ள தமிழ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.